Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I'm going to make some curry goat. So here I have all the ingredients that I will be using, and I will list all of them in the description box below. So first I'm washing my goat meat properly, and you want to make sure to wash your goat meat properly with vinegar or lime juice or lemon juice. And after which I'm going to season my goat meat. So follow along and you'll see how I season my goat meat. So all the seasoning that I'm using, I will list them in the description box below. So after adding all the seasoning, I make sure to rub it together so that I can distribute it evenly. Some people, they add oil to their meat so that they can use it to distribute the seasoning, but I prefer not to. After which I add my meat to my pressure cooker along with some water, and I'm going to leave it to cook in the pressure cooker for a little. Then I will transfer it to another pot in which I will finish the cooking process in the other pot. So my meat is ready, and I just add a little cornstarch to my meat just to thicken the gravy a little. And for the cornstarch, you want to make sure to mix it out in some cold water before adding it to your meat. So there you have it, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.